Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to activate dark mode on YouTube laptop. To start, open YouTube in any browser. You can see that its mode is the default. Now click on your user's profile and then access the appearance option. In this window, click on Dark Theme. YouTube will update so you can see the change and you will now be able to browse in this dark mode. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.